Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your wealth with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your wealth with Charles Schwab, start by opening an account. Visit the Charles Schwab website. Click on the Open an Account button. Choose the type of account that suits your needs, whether it's an individual brokerage, retirement, or custodial account. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the application process by providing details about your financial situation and investment experience. Once your account is set up, explore investment options. Consider diversifying your portfolio across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Use Schwab's research tools to analyze potential investments. Look into low-cost index funds and ETFs to minimize fees. Next, establish an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Maintain this fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access. Set up automatic contributions to both your investment and emergency accounts. Regularly review your portfolio's performance. Rebalance your investments to ensure they align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Take advantage of retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s for tax benefits. Consider working with a Charles Schwab financial advisor for personalized guidance. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that could impact your wealth. Utilize Schwab's educational resources to enhance your financial literacy. Be proactive in adjusting your strategy as your life circumstances and goals evolve. Finally, remain patient and disciplined in your investment approach to achieve long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.